Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unreal Engine open world tutorial series. So today also I'm going to continue to work on this anticipation moment of the wall moments. So the last time I couldn't finish that's because the episode was getting too long, so I had to break it up to two parts, and today I'm going to pick it up from the point that I stopped that episode last time. So this is the final anticipation moment, and in the next time I wish to make this character look at the next target point from rotating the head towards that point. So okay, let's first finish the anticipation moment for the wall climb animations. And as always, this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. That means a lot to me. Okay, so now as I said in the previous episode, I'm going to get rid of this spring interpolation part, and then I'm going to replace that with this normal move component too. So alright, let's do that. The component is this one as usual, and the next target that I want to go is this. Here now I have the direction that I am trying to move and also the target. So now what should I do is I should move my character somewhat away to the direction of the target from the target point. So for that I should multiply this vector with the plus value. I'll do plus 40 and add to the target. Then I should use that here as the target rotation location, and for that other rotation I'll use the same, and I'll keep 0.4 same for this one also, and after that I'll duplicate the same, and yeah, here I'll use the same component, and again now this time the target is actually the actual target and the rotation is actual rotation. I'll make it 0.2, make this one, no, let's just keep 0.4 and see how it looks. And after that I should call the reset like this. Alright, let's see how it looks in the game. Right, now we have the spring behavior. I have slowed down the time also to clearly see the effects without any issue. Okay, that seems good enough. The spring effect is still there even without using spring interpolation. Right, now let's look into the IK problems. I'll put this part aside. Alright, now this is set for IK. Okay, I have disabled physics and the leg eye case for now, as you can see here, but I'll enable them once I fixed the hand eye case. So right, I get the LH and RH here. I think I should put that part also inside the move character. So I'll get rid of this. Should I keep a backup? Now let's do it like this. I'll break this from here and I'll LH RH. I'll put LH. No, I'll modify this one to get LH and RH. That means left hand point and the right hand point. RH. Okay. Now I can use them like this. Alright, now I think my IK should be disabled. Yeah, I don't have IKs now. Right, now let's see how to properly enable them one by one as my character move. So yeah, so this is at this point my character has started moving to the next knob. So at this point I should enable right hand IK or the left hand IK depending on the direction that I am trying to move, and after that the other hand. So okay, how to do that? Let's quickly take a look here. Right, all right. Okay, I think I can use the same node in here. Which is set for like a macro. Should I put that in a different sequence? Yeah, let's do a sequence like this, and I'll put it here. I'll get the reference. I'll plug LH like this and RH like this. Alright, now let's see what happens. right. For the first time I should fix it. I'll keep that in mind. There, that's wrong. Yeah, okay, I know, because the IK update takes too long, I think. Yeah, we have a delay here. We should get rid of that. We don't need this delay anymore. Right now it should be correct. Yeah. Okay, now let's see how to fix the legs. Alright, so first I'll enable leg eye case like this. And here I need, inside this small character, I need leg IK values. So where do I calculate them? Yeah, I'll calculate them like this. LH is the hanging point, and forward is the forward vector. Alright, so I already have a reference to LH. I only need the forward vector. So let's add a new vector input. I'll call it forward. Actually that is knob forward. And I'll use this. Let's plug it from here. And then I have to use this get wall leg positions like this, using that method. So it like this. RL hit, that means right leg, and LL hit, that means left leg. Hanging point is the LH as I have used before, and the forward is this one. Okay, now it's all about timing. So let's see again, how does the legs behave. Okay, so this is the problem. When I try to move upward, first my character moves down a little bit to show the anticipation. At that time, my leg bends in an awkward way, like that. So, to compensate that, maybe I should also move my legs downward. So how can I do that? Actually, I can easily get rid of that if this was previously 40. If I reduce it to 20, I can easily get rid of that. Let me show you. Now this doesn't have that awkward bending when I move upward in the wall, but I'm not sure. This anticipation looks great. Wait, I have some issues still, some bugs. I need to fix them, but first let's make it work. So here you can see now my legs does not bend in an awkward manner. Okay, now let's get rid of that this time dilation reduction and see in real time that I can see whether I can see the anticipation. Yeah, it seems alright. Well, there was a problem, but I'll fix it later. Okay, I think this is good enough for the anticipation. Alright. So, shall I stop this episode at this point? And I'll address the bugs and other issues in the next one. Yeah, as always, you can get the membership of my Patreon club, and if you like to support my work, and also if you take the membership, you will have access to my third-person shooter series as well, and other source code and other benefits. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.